All right, class, let's look at our fourth DGP, daily grammar practice, and let's look at Monday. So Monday, what you're doing is you are identify the parts of speech for the sentence below. Okay, so read our sentence. She looked at a chocolate that cost a dime. So first, what you want to do is you want to look for your nouns. Nouns are person, places, or things, and then you want to decide if that noun is common, proper, or possessive. Second, you want to look for your pronouns. Pronouns take the place of a noun. Then you want to tell me, is it subjective, objective, or possessive? And then you want to tell me if it is used in the first person point of view, second person point of view, or third person point of view. After that, you want to look for your verbs. Verb, find it, and then you want to decide, is that verb a helping, linking, or action? Then you want to tell me, is that taking place in the past, present, or future? Then you're looking for your adverbs. Adverbs are words that describe verbs. Looking for adjectives. Adjectives describe verbs. Articles are tiny words that kind of fill our sentence, like the, an, or a. Prepositions tell us position, location, or time. So if you think about the sentence, the squirrel ran blank the tree, if it can fit in that sentence, it's 99.9% of the time going to be a preposition. And then you're going to decide if there's a conjunction, and a conjunctions normally are there if it is, a complex sentence or a simple or a complex or a compound sentence and it has a comma in there. However, there is no punctuation, so that's something you will have to figure out for yourself. The only thing there isn't going to be is an interjection this time. However, there will be one word in here that is actually kind of confusing because you will not know it's part of speech, and that is going to be the word that. That is actually called a demonstrative pronoun. It's actually a type of pronoun that we have not specifically talked about yet. However, it's kind of introducing you to your topic because this week we are actually going to focus on pronouns, okay? Last week we did non-restrictive elements. This week we're going to do pronouns. So that is a demonstrative pronoun. So that should be your answer for number 5. The only thing you will need to tell me if it is subjective, objective, or possessive. All right, good luck.